Yeah, what's good? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy trading video. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But hey, it's Tuesday today. You feel me? I'm gonna do the style of the video right. Make sure it's kind of organized and shit. Hey, my mindset is take this shower. You feel me? We gonna go to Little. I'm gonna go mark up some charts afterwards. So let's get right into it. All right, y'all. So I'm basically offside. I didn't take any trades, but it's definitely bearish. I was thinking it was bullish today, but today is just not a trading day. You feel me? Sat on my hands, letting price do what it's gonna do. It is an NFP week though. NFP was last week, but I guess since the government shut down, they didn't want to do it last week, and I guess they're planning it for this week. So this week might be a little crazy. This looks like it's going lower, like I was saying. This might be higher of the week. I don't know. It could be. I was looking for it. Maybe you could be bullish here and keep going higher from there, right? But it didn't give me the data to tell me that this was going higher. So just gonna call it a day.
Love me like a brother.
All right, y'all. So it's Wednesday, 2 days before NFP. Oh, pardon. I almost got hit by a bike. but right now, just woke up, brushed my teeth, showered, and everything. And I met this. You want to be in the video? You want to be in the video? It's just okay. I met Armand, right? He saw me trading yesterday, and told me he was learning the same thing, right? Exactly. And where you from? You're from France.
I'm from France, yeah.
But you lived in the UK. You lived in the UK, and what else? And you came back to France, and that's where you stopped trading or stopped studying. But yeah, so yeah, so he's taking me to a library that might be a little quieter than where I usually trade at. Usually Starbucks is peaceful, but I want to check the library out, see how it is, and then he'll watch me trade and probably get his shit set up, and he wants to learn. So it's good to connect with traders out here too, you know, that people who want to learn. So that's what we're gonna do, and you want to say hi? She hangry right now. She hangry. But yeah. So I'm gonna catch y'all at the library. Right now we in the library. But this shit look crazy. Yo. Right now it's 3 o'clock. So about to find a place to set up inside of the library, but I can't be too loud. And we about to walk in a room with hella students, bro. Walking in here looking crazy. So this is the area I'm about to sit and chill at to trade. And it's 3 o'clock. We about to get right into it. So right now I'm bearish ES. I want to see if ES can go for the previous daily low, but at the same time we are bouncing off of discount bullish PD arrays. So I'm thinking that price could go higher as well. So I'm kind of in the middle, which is not good for high probability. So I need a little bit more information to know if price is going to go lower. So I want to see if ES holds this fair value gap
Nasdaq's a little bit more bullish going into this hourly FEG, so I want to see a change in the state of delivery. So I want to see something happen here. Maybe if Nasdaq inverts this inefficiency right here, then that'll give me a good sign to start selling ES and attack the relative equal lows here with Asia and then the previous daily low. But if we keep expanding higher, displacing higher, then I'm sitting on my hands.
When we were talking, it was what?
Yeah, it
was
was at first, and then it took out the high.
Okay.
Remember?
Yeah.
Remember the highs?
Is
The
it
the previous day.
Yeah.
Yeah, ES previous day. You see, I took the previous day high, and then it dropped. So I'm watching this area to see if something happens here for it to possibly start going down here. But if not, then I'm sitting. So right now, I'm kind of like in the middle. I'm bullish. I think it could go up, but it also can go lower. So I'm in between. So that means it's not as high probable as an idea, since I think it could go either way, right? So this may be still bullish, going higher, and it could attack the previous daily high.
And is it the US session, this one?
This is Nasdaq.
No, the session, is it
New York, yeah, New York session.
is it this on your session?
Yeah, New York session. And then,
You would always stick to your strategy. You stick to
yeah, your process, your process and your trading plan. If it doesn't line up with it, it's either gonna do this or that. Logically, you want to have that type of mindset in your trading. It needs to do this or that, and if it doesn't do this, then I don't do that.
Okay.
If it does this, then I do that, right? So right now, my plan is I want information to see if it's going lower from here, right? So for my process, I want to see if price can go through like this with a large body down candle. Once I see that, I may take a sell there, right, to go lower.
Are you sure?
Yeah, and then put my stop loss above here, maybe above there. So it'll look something like,
And this is a significant fair value gap.
yeah,
This one?
for me, yeah. So right now I'm not touching ES, I'm not touching Nasdaq. I'm just waiting on EU, see if EU can get some displacement through here. But today is looking like a low probable day for me.
whoever caught the buys though, all in here, you know, I kind of seen it that it could possibly happen. It's just I didn't trust the buys. Like I said, it was both ways for me. I wasn't gonna get in buys because of the relative equal lows here, and it could if let's say if I was to get in a buy here, right? If I was to get in a buy here, yes, it will work out. Maybe my stop could go there, and then I can aim for something higher, like a 1 to 2. But my main concern was it running this out first, because these are relative equal lows here, and then it actually creating the real move, and then I get stopped out, and then it goes my way of what I think price was gonna do. So that's why I didn't want to enter any buy
And
there.
here you
Yeah.
are on your prop firm job.
I like this. So this placement there.
Or that you are just looking.
Yeah, just looking,
Yeah,
just
just
waiting.
looking. Yeah, just-
But I might take the short here.
You might take some short.
Yep, the short here to aim for 1 to 2. I'll be able to probably get out before the 1 to 2, so that way I can make the $20 and then be out. So this candle will close in 1 minute. I want to see how this candle closes, and if it closes like this, like how it's closing now, maybe one more run, then I'll get in up here after it pulls back like this, like I drew it out here. Here.
Okay.
Let me show you.
You're selling now.
Yeah, so I might sell. Not yet. But I'm waiting for the close. So it closes in 30
Okay.
seconds.
And are you using TradingView for your?
Right, and then I go to my here.
This is your broker.
Yeah, this is the broker.
How do you call it? Funded.
Yeah, the Go Funded Trader. And then I could go here. Advanced order. Risk mode. I want to risk $25. That's how much I need. And then I do sell limit, pending, boom, just like that. And then allow. Sell limit would be up here. Somewhere there. Okay. So this is good. What it's doing now. It's good. This is what I want to see. So this low, this broke this low with the fair value gap. So I want to see it come into this. Maybe hold that and just that, and then go lower. It could come all the way up to this here. Come there.
There is
But I
a
would
fair value
rather-
gap as well.
Yeah, this is fair value gap, but this I like this one more because this is right at that low there. If it goes all the way down here, then I missed it, and I have to come back tomorrow. All right, y'all. So that's the end of my day with trading. You feel me? No entry, no nothing. For futures, I was wrong on the direction, so I didn't get an entry. For Nasdaq or ES, I didn't look to because I was invalidated before I was even able to get an entry to sell short or whatever. Price didn't give me the confirmations, so
right now. I tried to buy sell EU, GU, but I wanted to see EU get through this FEG here because it was used for it to run higher. So I wanted to try to get in after the displacement again, and then right now, and then tag me in. I guess I got 5 more minutes before I completely close the chart. You feel me? But I might as well just, because I don't feel like sitting here waiting for the trade to play out. And shit, I'd rather just go on about my day, to be honest with you. So that's 2 days of no trades. You feel me? No trading day. So and it's an NFP week. So my patience is there. You feel me? And price isn't giving me what I want to execute on. So yeah, and it already came to a discounted rate too. Yeah, I'm gonna just call it off right here. So we'll make the $25 and finally pass the first phase another time. I hate waiting. I hate being patient, bruh. But patience pays. So it's better this way. You know. Okay, the reason why I took a buy here is because there's SMT with ES taking out the 955 low, and all these lows are significant times where I think price can at least push up to these highs up here. So my entry's here, up here, and then my stop is here. And all I need is $25. So all I'm aiming for is like 20, 28, 27. A one to one. Okay. So it wasn't what I thought it was, but it was a good try. I was thinking that these lows were gonna be the start of a smart money reversal to go higher, right? And then watching how it was playing off of this order block right here, and the time that it was doing it, I was thinking that maybe it could go higher, and then ES didn't take out that 10 o'clock low. So I was thinking maybe it could get one run higher to maybe catch like 1R, 1-to-1, and then boom, risk $20. But it's okay, because tomorrow if I make $25, I'll still pass, right? If I make it, or next week if it needs to be. But yeah, I'm gonna walk away with that small L. That's completely fine. Right now I'm waiting for the trail with our stuff in the tent. Sat at the park a little bit, ate a sandwich before I had to scratch my nose. But ate a sandwich, chilling. Today wasn't a bad day. We're super tired. We about to set up the tent early, watch a little bit of Samurai Champloo. I don't know if y'all seen that anime, but yeah, we gonna chill in it once I get the tent set up and everything. But hope everybody has been having a good week, even though you guys ain't gonna see this until Sunday, you feel me? Or Saturday. I don't know what else I want to say. 2 days without taking a trade on an NFP week. Like I said, mentally, that's as a trader, being a professional trader, that's pretty good. That the fact that no setups, I didn't force any entries or force any trades and waited for what I wanted to see. And
shit that didn't give it to me, it didn't give it to me, you know what I mean? So it feels good. Tomorrow is a day before NFP, so most likely gonna be Dookie Cheeks. I don't even think I'm gonna look at the market tomorrow, and just wait until Friday after NFP gets released, and then trade London close. You feel me? So might come back Friday and get things popping. But yeah, with all these covers and shit, sitting out here, sitting out here, man. People don't know I'm on my pursuit to happiness. Once we get the tent set up, I'm gonna show you guys the tent and how it look on the outside. I always show the inside, but look at the park set up. Well, I feel like someone was on my leg. Hey, y'all see how I got my shoes on? Oh, we was just.
What is that?
What?
Oh, big.
A big ass beetle?
It's coming from my feet.
Oh
Dad.
shit, big ass beetle. Run.
It's coming.
Yeah, that's.
It's coming towards.
Nah, we was chilling on the hammocks right before we get in the tent. And my fault for not really vlogging as much, y'all. Bro, I told y'all it was gonna be hard with this camera damn near almost always dying. Don't get this in there. But yeah, with it almost dying all the time, so it's kind of hard to vlog. But right now it's nighttime. We about to go to sleep in the tent. Show them the tent. We walk into the tent. Okay, y'all can't even see the tent. I'm gonna take y'all to my new house. You feel me? This is my this is our new house. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of cozy and cool, away from everything. Inside of a park, you can see the moon. You really can't see the moon. Can they see the moon?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I be talking to that every night. You feel me? Because like that's all we got. You know what I'm saying? We got the moon, we got the park, we got this nice ass tent, which is right here. Welcome to my home, MTV cribs. You know what I'm saying? Look, we got this to cover it up, right? You know what I'm saying? And you can zippity zip, unzip, and here, man. It took us like 2 hours to put up this tent. Not two, I think it was last night or 2 nights. No, it was 2 nights ago. It took us like 2 hours to put up this tent because the strings had broke. So it was hard as fuck just to put this tent up. But welcome to my home. We got backpack, some snacks in there, covered in there. You know, damn, got so close. God damn, the bright ass light, the police on me. Yeah, but there, let me see. See inside, boom. You know what I'm saying, we got a little pallet on there. It'd be cozy. Y'all already seen the inside of the tent, but we good. You feel me? Took a loss today. That loss is in the past, so we gonna come back tomorrow after NFP and see if anything's clean to probably pass the first phase, which I thought I should have passed last week. Been at the profit target, but yeah, we'll see then. But yeah, like I said, sorry for not vlogging as much, but y'all got to see a little bit of this. Hey, we good here. We good. All right, y'all. It's Friday. I just woke up. We just put out the tent. I wanted my girl to record us getting out the tent, but she didn't want to do it. Nah, I'm just playing. Look over there eating the bread. Look, eating bread. Well, look how beautiful it is over here. Now we just packing up. Right now, we just be sitting here sometimes. Right now, we rushed out the tent because I want to be able to get to the chart around like 3:30. So we got to shower first, eat something, and do whatever we usually do before I go to Starbucks or Popeyes or the library to trade. So on to it. All right, so I just got the Popeyes, just got to looking at the market, and right now I'm gonna go to the daily just to get my previous daily high, because that's what's most likely what I want to see price draw to, because we have been bullish on NQ, bullish on ES, most likely gonna go that way still. Not gonna call tops. ES, same thing. Hey, same thing for ES. Want to see if we could keep going higher. We do have sell side liquidity built up on Wednesday's low and Thursday's lows.
That's the only thing with ES. Let's see if NASDAQ has the same liquidity being built up. So yeah, Wednesday and Thursday's low as well, but more inclined to attack previous daily high more and look for it to get up into there. Look like we came into a discount array, this fair value gap with these these 3 consecutive down close candles, playing off of this FEG here, right at a discount, created that down close candle around London 5:30. Let me get my times because it's already 9:30. So right now, price is just headed towards that previous daily high. I want to see at least a retracement. If I'm gonna get in, it has to be a retracement. I want to see this fair value gap get made, and then the next 15-minute candle maybe come down, get an entry somewhere in here, and then start aiming for that previous daily high for NQES. And so these past 2 weeks have been so weird because the NFPs keep getting rescheduled, so it makes everything like you really don't know if it's gonna be a low probable day or not, because like say like yesterday we didn't know that NFP was gonna get rescheduled next week, right? So yesterday could have probably was a very clean day, like it was moving and shit, you know what I mean? So with this government being shut down, it's kind of hard to get a feel on when the next NFP is gonna be. You know what I mean? So right now I'm just waiting. There go previous daily high, didn't get tagged yet. So any retracement back down into these 2 down close candles maybe. That's what I'll be looking for the next 4-hour candle to do, to open, come down, come into the FEG, right? And then start aiming for that previous daily high. I was looking at Euro and GU. Right now it looks more probable for EU to run towards that previous daily low. It would be pretty decent to get a entry or feel close to this midnight open price maybe, but at the same time GU already took out the previous daily low, whereas so far at a discount this could run there to what I'm thinking it's gonna run to that previous daily low. It's right by midnight open price, and it'll give me about a 1 to 1.2, enough to potentially pass the second phase of this challenge, right? But it's very, very like choppy, like it's not moving how it should be. Very, very high resistant too. G will probably be the better sell. Okay, there we go. So now we got ES coming down. YM didn't take out the previous daily high either. We hit an old new day opening gap as well. That's a very strong rejection. And we still have liquidity at the old previous daily lows too. Relative equal lows all down in here. All down in here. We constantly rated 1, 2, 3 times. Maybe this is bearish today.
it's more probable to me to go for that previous daily low, right, which is here. Because if you look at this daily candle, right, we've been bearish, right? And then we didn't take out this low yet. So I'm thinking that today can go towards that low for midnight open price. And it doesn't even have to get there, just to this 1-to-1 and then a straight. Okay, so price basically went up, smacked this high out right here, and now it looks like we may deliver down. Below here, I want to see speed below here and see if we could get back to that 4-hour low. Alright, so this should be a BPR. I don't really want to see this filled in here. I would rather see this stay intact and then see if we can run down towards the previous 4-hour low, or these lows at least. Come in there, but it can maybe quickly reject from there. I don't want to see it like going in and close within it and be goofy, you know. So I scaled in one more time off of that IOFED here. So as soon as it tagged right into it, rejected, I went ahead and entered one more, so that way I could TP at these lows, and that would be my full position out. Right, if if it doesn't go that way and it runs to this high, then I'm out at $25. Right, but I want to see this stay intact, and then these highs stay intact, intermediate term high, and then run lower.
Good day.
I lost. Yeah, lost. Alright, so as you guys can see, I overtraded. I very much did. I'm not gonna keep going because I'm gonna end up losing the account if I do. So I'm gonna just get away from it, be disciplined, bro. Like, because I already made mistakes, bro. You feel me? I'm down 145 today, which is a lot. So I'm gonna stop here before I hit my daily drawdown, and then I'll lose the account when I could just come back next week and start fresh, and then all I gotta do is have 1 or 2 winning trades, and then this account will be passed. So yeah, I'm gonna just do that, bruh. Not a good day. Now it starts going to where I wanted to see. So I was fumbling in. You guys know I was fumbling in here. Not fumbling in, but like entering here. Was holding down into here. I ended up getting to like $350, $60, and then it did a huge pullback. But in short, I shouldn't even been in this. I'm gonna just come back, reinstall my discipline, not completely lose it all. I'm stopping myself here, even though it's a bad day, but it's okay. Yeah. This is where I'm at right now. Yeah, I got peanut butter on my chin and shit. Cause I'm eating this PB&J sandwich. We both smacking right now. But let me put this PB&J right here though. Need this peanut butter off. Hey, these PB&Js be hitting. You can't tell me I'm too big to be eating PB&Js. I'm gonna keep eating PB&Js. No matter how old I get, I swear to God, until I'm like 80, until I'm on my mom's deathbed, they be like, what's the last thing you want to eat, Grandpa? Oh, I'm in my deathbed and be like a PB&J. Like he about to steal this. He smell my piss because I peed over here. It's a dog over here right now. No, somehow. Yeah, he was like sitting right the whole time. He wanted some of this PB&J. Now he walking around past everybody. But hey, my trading day was not the best because I wanted it so bad to pass this week and get to that second phase, so that way I can start making on that second phase. But that's me rushing, and by doing that makes me go on edge with trading because I don't like the outcome of what happened today. Which is what I feel like what everybody as traders go through. You want it so bad that you rush, and you don't like the outcome of what happened that day, where you just want to, because like I lost 25, right? 25 today, making 25 today would have passed the account, right? They got knocked out 25, but I wanted to be able to pass this day off a 1-1. So guess what I did? I martingaled it. I risked 50. Right? Boom, 50. Guy hit out just like that. You know what I'm saying? And then boom, risked 100. And then I'm like, okay, I'm low key about to go back because it said I had 100 of drawdown left, but really it was like 60. I said I had $100 of drawdown, daily drawdown left. You feel me? I risked 100. Boom, it went in my favor. Could have closed out at $360 something or whatever, but boom. I wanted to hit that $400, but I could have made back everything off of crashing out. But the whole time I'm not even crashing out. I'm over leveraging. You feel me? Which could have ended up me going into real crash out mode to where like I lose the whole account. You feel me? And be like, fuck it, I'm gonna risk this last 60 or whatever. I'm gonna risk this last whatever. When in my mind, when I should have just thought like, okay, boom. I just come back next week and I'll trade and try to make back whatever. Risk the $75, $50 to make 100 or 150 or whatever. So I thought about that. I'm like, bro, fuck that. I'm not about to lose my whole everything. 260 when I could come back next week, risk $75 and make that. You feel me? You know what I mean? And have 9 tries, risking 75 before I even hit my drawdown. Because guess what? Forex does not have trailing drawdown. which if they had trolling drawdown, my shit would have been going. So they don't have trolling drawdown. That's even better for my mental. You feel me? That there's no trailing drawdown. So I'm like, okay, I can still pass the account next week. You feel me? Come back next week. But it's all because I just want it so bad. And the thing is, my life right now isn't, even though y'all see, like, it's not the best, you know what I'm saying, position, but in my mind, it's not bad. It's really not that bad at all. You know what I mean? To where I feel like I need to hurry up and get out of this position and I overtrade and shit or whatever, where I feel like I need to fix it with my trading or whatever. It's not that type of mindset. It's just today was just a day that I couldn't accept the outcome of that trade. I wanted to pass so quick, so I was martingelling trying to see if I could hit that day and just boom, done. Phase 2. But man, pretty. Yeah. So next week, hopefully, I'll pass. And I need to stay disciplined on even picking the trades that I picked this week, because we got to Thursday and I'm like, bruh. I was disciplined Tuesday and Wednesday to not force a trade. And then Thursday, day before NFP, well, what I thought was NFP, I forced a trade. But I walked away, and I didn't crash out, y'all. I walked away cool. Boom. And that was a good day. The fact that I did that. Good day yesterday. But today, lost. Boom. I couldn't accept that. So just accept the outcome. You gotta accept it, bro. I gotta accept it. 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 So I didn't let today completely go to shit by losing my account. Even though I crashed out today, I didn't get rewarded from that crash out at all. I didn't get rewarded. I'm still down today. So it's a good thing that I didn't get rewarded, because guess what? If today would have worked out, I would have went to next week doing the same shit, crashing out, because hey, today worked. You feel me? But today didn't work out at all, and I still stopped myself. So from losing the whole shit. So that's a good sign. That's good. You know I'm getting there. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting there. But that's good. That's a good start. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, sub to the motherfucking channel. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Peace, y'all.